Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about the most popular illustration on TikTok and Instagram, and everyone asking how I'm doing this, how I'm drawing this. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more videos like that. So you was asking which tool I used and how I drew that. And for me, it's really simple. I always have the same brushes you can see on the screen. And I have a couple of illustrations with the circus motif. So lately there are 4 of them. So the idea is to collect all colors and shapes on the one page, like here you can see. Composition pretty simple. Sometimes I even do my sketches with acrylic on paper. Sometimes I use my photos, so it all helps me to work on my illustrations. And all I use is Procreate. Basically, I starting with the outline illustration and I just coloring it on iPad. This is my favorite part. So you just draw outline, simple one, and after that on layers you just color it bold parts. I'm use like 3 or 4 brushes for that, and on multiple layers I just add this texture of pencil, and I try to stick to the one color palette. So basically all dark roses, dark violets, purple colors, cold palette I use for this illustration with tigers. And I don't know, I just like it. I like the effects, I like the process. For me it's like coloring book actually. I'm drawing in a road, in travels, in the traffics, while I'm off my work, so it's just a pleasure to do that in Procreate, I would say. Some ideas inspired by tarot symbols, some ideas inspired by circus. I had in my childhood pink tigers, so a lot of my illustrations contain chickens and pink tigers. So this moons is the one of the popular symbol in my illustrations, and I think it looks dreamy. As you can see, all my characters, they are always calm or sleepy, waking up or something like this. I use floral motifs, chickens, and the tiger is always sleeping on my illustrations. I don't know why, it's just it's just the idea. But chicken is always busy. He's preparing everything to the show, coloring, painting, fixing stars, arranging lights, and etc. I think it's the most interesting part of this illustration, that these characters cooperate together in a different way. So from my side, I think it's important part to keep all bold coloring parts, like for example backgrounds on the one page layer in Procreate, and the rest you can add on other layers and multiply with the previous one and play with the effects in Procreate. So for example here, if I will do square, if I hold longer, it's become perfect geometric figure. So I always use this in my illustration. It's a quick tip on Procreate. I think many people use this. So for the rest, I really like 4 brushes. I never use a lot of them because I want my illustrations to look like in the one style, or to be repetitive with the style of pencil. So I always try to build more lines on extra layers, so it make my illustrations more deeper, not like flat one. Yeah, and repetitive patterns, like for example here you see the colors, the flags, the lights on the illustration, like this one small circle lights. It make illustration not look the same, but I would say alike in the whole series of illustration. Yeah, so you repeat this small lights everywhere or shapes everywhere. Like for example, if it's a lot of geometric angles and small cute circles everywhere, or dots or stars, will repeat the same pattern or motif on the illustration. As you can see here, even lines on tiger, the strips, I keep on the separate layer all this white color on his face, because it's easily to control on different layers, not to destroy your illustration. And in Amber app, I use literally two brushes, this one and this one. This is my favorite one. So basically it's pretty easy. You work on a separate layer in Amber Draw. So for this cute little motion, you have to use, for example, this one. Yeah, you can see how this brush is working. And for chicken, for example, for details on chicken, to have it in motion, I just put it like this. I just draw very short lines, and because of it's in motion, it have this cute little motion effect everywhere. These short dots works perfectly for me and for my illustrations. And if I want to add something more, I would add some extra layers and work on extra layers, because it will not be overwhelmed in that case. Yeah, so basically this is all about this illustration. I don't know if you have your questions, but for me it's pretty simple. This is application was used for this illustration. You can buy it or download it in the App Store. That's it. So thank you. Leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe.